What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to be working on is called the in to out pretzel. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today's move we will be using our basic pretzel and also our inside out pretzel. So if you don't know how to do those, check out my tutorials I did on those before coming to this one. Alright, so the in to out pretzel really just utilizes a front sweep and a back sweep, also used in the basic pretzel and the inside out pretzel. So the first couple moves are the same, and then we switch it up and add a couple more moves. So from here, our basic pretzel, what we're going to do is we're going to kick to the side. So this is 1, and I'm going to turn it over, 2. Then from here, I'm going to do that front sweep. So my right knee's going to go on the floor. So I'm going to go front sweep. Now from here, here's the only change. So instead of coming to just our neutral position, as this sweeps back, I want to put my right hand down, and my left leg is going to reset so my right leg has space to come through and hit my back sweep. Okay, so just from here, I'm doing a front sweep with my left. So front sweep with my left, again, opposition, leaning away from where your knee needs to go. And then from here, right when I put this left foot down, I want to shoot out my right foot. And again, my weight is on my right arm. There's this little hole, and I come through over here, and then I finish off this circle. Okay, so you want to think front sweep right to that back sweep. Okay, so here we go. So from the top, this goes kick, down, twist, front sweep, again, leaning to your left. Then I want to lean a little bit to my right because I need space for here to go right into this one, and then I finish it off. So one more time, I'm going kick, down, turn, front, switch, finish. All right, so once you have that side, let's try it on the other side. So we have 1/2 pretzel over here, so you're gonna do the same thing. So basically what's happening is as I'm bringing this leg back, I'm already thinking I want to start kicking this way. So I'm kicking this way, kick, reset, still do the turn. From here, left knee goes down, right, front sweep, again, leaning the opposite way that my leg is going. From here, right when this leg comes back, I want to start leaning to the left because I need space for my left arm to take the weight and my left leg to come through this hole and lean over this way. So again, kind of looks like I'm doing almost like a seesaw effect. Okay, so from here, I'm going kick, down, turn, front sweep, back sweep. Alright, so a key tip I have for you is whenever you're going for your sweeps, again, just lean your body the opposite direction of where your leg is traveling, right? So if I want my leg to go this way, I need to lean to my right. If I want my leg to come through, that also means I need to lean to my right. So think anywhere your leg is going, that's the way you want to lean towards. Alright, so now let's try going back and forth. Here we go. So starting with your left. This is going left, kick, twist, front, back, other way, right, kick, twist, right, left again, left, kick, twist, around, other way, right, kick, twist, sweep, sweep. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes left and around, front, back, and right, switch, around, right, left, and left, switch, around, left, right, and right, switch, around, right, left. Alright, so now let's try to put this together with some counts. So, just like I did in the basic pretzel, you don't have to do with these counts specifically, but I try to do kick and being 1 and, then I turn around 2, and then for these ones, I want my sweeps to be 3, 4. So you want to think whole counts for your sweeps. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, turn, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's try that again. I want to face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, also hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one, we are just combining a front sweep and a back sweep with our little pretzel movement. So in reality, you just want to really focus on wherever your leg is trying to sweep towards, you want to be opposing it with your body, right? So if I'm circling this way, my body wants to follow it in the opposite direction, okay? So make sure you're opposing your sweeps. That way it makes it a little bit more, I guess, fluid, and also doesn't make it as confusing. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and also tag Darren R. Wong. I'm sure to give you some props, give you some tips, give you some comments, anything like that. Alright, so again, be sure to like this video and also comment down below what you learned from it, what you liked from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.